Con su diablito. Mira, ese de la mesa. Lo bueno de todo eso que no nos toca hacer a la tarde lo de secar. ¿No ya está parando?
Aemet, Spanish disaster management agency, has activated a red alert in Ribera del Ebro. The civil guard evacuated 400 young people from a camp in Burgos due to severe storms. Last night, the State Meteorological Agency, Aemet, activated a red alert in the Ribera del Ebro region due to the storms and has urged residents to avoid road travel and access to basements or cellars. Heavy rain and widespread storms have caused around 30 incidents in towns in the regions of Zaragoza, Tarazona, and Moncayo. The Aragonese government has activated the Level 1 emergency phase of the Special Civil Protection Plan for Adverse Meteorological Phenomena, PROSIFMAR, according to the EIF news agency. The storms have also forced the evacuation of around 400 people, mostly children campers, from several locations in northern Burgos. The Level 1 emergency declared by the Aragonese government is activated when the situation, or its foreseeable development, can be controlled with the resources allocated to PROSIFMAR. We receive reports of elevator shafts, flooded garages, and several businesses in the city center that suffered flood damage, explained Ana Calvo, a member of the Citizens Security Council in Tarazona, about 80 kilometers from Zaragoza, where municipal services removed fallen trees and branches to clear access to the city and restore mobility. Residents were forced to start drawing water and clearing debris left by the strong currents. According to the Aragonese government, the Aragonese Emergency Center 112 had responded to around 30 rain-related incidents in the Tarazona and Moncayo regions by 9:00 p.m., including fallen trees and water in roads, garages, homes, and businesses. Aemet, Spanish Emergency Management Agency, has updated its warning for this Saturday, raising the orange level for persistent rain and hail up to 2 centimeters in the provinces of Huesca and Bajo Aragon between midnight and 9:00 p.m., and for rain in Albarracin and Jaloca, as well as Gudar and Maestrazgo between 11:00 a.m. and 9:00 p.m. In addition, a yellow storm warning is in effect for Cinco Villas, Albarracin and Jaloca, Gudar and Maestrazgo, and the Iberian Peninsula of Zaragoza between 11:00 a.m. and 9:00 p.m. These rains and storms could be accompanied by large hail and strong gusts of wind in these areas, and, as warned by the Ebro Hydrographic Confederation, could cause flooding in ravines and riverbeds. In response, Civil Protection urges citizens to take extreme protective measures against flooding, storms, rain, hail, and strong winds. Around 400 people, mostly children campers, have been evacuated from various locations in Las Merindades, a mountainous region north of Burgos, due to heavy rain and hail, Juan Navarro reports. The Civil Guard has coordinated rescue operations without significant disruption other than transportation to and from the locations, as vehicles, facing the drenched terrain, are barely able to move. Civil Guard officers have moved 2 camps in the town of Nela, totaling 186 people aged between 8 and 16, along with their supervisors and caregivers, to the Villarcayo Sports Center in Miranda de Castilla La Vieja, where they have been prepared for the night. Another evacuation shelter has been established in Loma de Montilla, home to 140 minors aged between 8 and 18. This is where the terrain poses the greatest challenge to evacuation. The Civil Guard has urged families to remain calm, as the miners are safe. A storm also struck Pamplona early this morning, leading to the cancellation of various events planned for the San Fermin Festival, such as the fire-breathing bull run and a street party in Intimuni Park. This was announced by the Pamplona City Council, which then, given the favorable development of the storm, decided to go ahead with the fireworks display launched at 11:00 p.m. during the celebrations and the concert scheduled for that evening.